limited gold edition. NT, neo-tec. Look at that baby. Beautiful, beautiful. Longer chainsaws and bars, bits and pieces. If you go to the website longerchainsaws.com.au, you can get 12% off if you use my Mr. Hanger 1 YouTube name on the order form. He sends it to America, New Zealand, all around Australia. A good guy. If you've got a question, ask. He's got the answer to most things. But yeah, it's a good Christmas present. So the end of 2022, that's when it finishes. So I'll just advertise as much as I can for him. Alright guys, you see how they cut. I've done plenty of videos on hardwood Australia, and they last. They're good stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching.